Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session we will see how can we display 0 in case of missing data in Tableau. Here we have a cross tab that shows sales done for different categories in case of different states. You will observe that in case of North Dakota state, the sales in case of furniture and technology category is blank. That means there will be no records for sales done in North Dakota state in case of furniture and technology category. The requirement is that we need to fill these blank spaces with 0. In the second cross tab, you will see that the blank spaces have been replaced with 0. Now let's jump to Tableau and see how to display 0 in case of missing data. First, we will create a cross tab. So drag category to the column shelf, then drag state to the row shelf. We need to show sales done in different states in case of these three categories. So drag sales to the text. Let me adjust the size so that the categories are clearly visible. Now you will observe that we have few blanks where no data is present, like in case of North Dakota region. The sales for furniture and technology category is blank. That means there are no records for these two categories in the dataset for the North Dakota region. Now to fill these blank spaces with 0, we will create a calculated field. Click on the drop down, click on create calculated field. Let's name it updated sales, and here write down ZN lookup sum of sales, comma 0. Now what this formula will do is lookup will return us null in case of no data is present in the dataset, like in case of North Dakota region we have no records for furniture and technology category. Otherwise it will return us sum of sales. And further, this zn function, as we can see from the description, it will return expression if it is not null, otherwise returns 0. So if this lookup function will return us null, then this zn will convert it to 0, which in our case will be for North Dakota region in case of furniture and technology category. So this Zn will give us 0 in case of nulls. If you want to replace the nulls with some other value, just for an example, maybe 1, you can make use of this if null function. So here we can give other expression also with what value we have to replace the nulls. Like I want to replace the null with 3. So here lookup will give us nulls in case no data is present. Then if null function will replace it with 3. Let me show you. Click on OK. Now let's drag this updated sales also to the cross tab to make a comparison between both these measures. Now look for North Dakota region. So here you will see that the updated sales is giving us 3 in case of missing data, but our requirement is that we need to show 0. So let's again edit the updated sales. Click on the drop down, click on edit, and we want to replace missing data with 0. Click on apply. Here you will see that now the missing data is replaced with 0. So the benefit of if null function is we can give any other value also with which we want to replace the nulls. Now let me again use zn function. So zn function will also give us 0. Click on OK. So now the updated sales measure has replaced the missing data with 0. Here also you will observe that the missing data has been replaced with 0. Now let me remove this sum of sales field from the cross tab. So by creating this new calculated field, we were able to replace the missing data with 0. So this was all that I had to cover in this session. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this session was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.